What's up? Today I'll show you how I saved $4,500 fixing a blown transmission. Ford Focus 3 2016 year. I shift into drive. The clutch slips. Feels like the car says, maybe later. Obvious the clutch is gone. Here it is, my lottery ticket. A homeless guy used to live in this car. Now it's my shot at saving money. Dealer wants $5,000 for a transmission fix. I did it for $500 in 4 hours. In my garage. Lifting the car on a jack and resting it on wood blocks. A bit sketchy pure driveway surgery. Car's up on blocks. Let's get it. It held on barely. Using a ceiling hoist to drop the transmission to the floor. It's not a part, it's a gym workout. Removing the first snap ring from the input shaft. Like an X, it doesn't let go easy. Pulling the gear off the synchronizer. Looks like a star, but no Hollywood here. The second snap ring didn't come off easy either. Had to put a little muscle into it. Unscrewing the clutch actuator motors. They control the shift forks. Thoughts start creeping in. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten into this. But the transmission's already out, and there's no turning back now. Remove the actuator motor. Pull out the second one too. Insert special tool. Turn it counterclockwise 12 times. Boom! Clutch pops out like a spring trap. What you're hearing isn't the clutch. It's my heart pounding. That was awesome! Pulling 2 worn-out shims. Then the throwout bearing. Everything's toast. I spin the disc. It crackles like burnt popcorn. Clearly, it's done for. There's so much dust here, you could plant tomatoes in it. Pulling out the forks. Each one binds. Not good. Not good. A little cleanup won't hurt. This job's starting to get on my nerves, but I still believe I can pull it off. Let the dealership take a break. Unscrewing the throwout bearing guide sleeve. Wiggling the input shaft still alive. Good. Sanding the fork roller paths with 180 grit to remove rust. Routine but necessary. And just a little more. Package just landed. Let's pop it open and take a look. Kicking the box toward the garage. No unboxing videos here. Opening it. Unwrapping the new forks. Underneath, a fresh dual clutch. Zen moment's done. Let's get our hands dirty again. Installing the throwout bearing guide. Each bolt gets blue thread locker. Tighten the 3 bolts not too hard. Ask me how I know. Squeezing out some Teflon-safe grease, good for plastic and rubber. Smear it on the fork guides. Installing forks. Temporarily mounting the motors to align them. Bolting everything in place. Applying thread locker to the fork springs. Lock it down. Don't forget to align those fork marks. Tightening the first fork. All right, let's give fork number 2 the same tough love. Installing the throwout bearing, making sure the plastic clips aren't broken. Shims go in off camera. Dropping the clutch disc into the basket. Guide sleeve. Then the alignment tool. All right, how is this thing actually supposed to fit? I've been spinning this tool like a DJ, and it still won't line up with the damn holes. Bolting it down with 4 bolts. Like IKEA, but no manual. Turn this bolt clockwise. In a groove appears in the input shaft for the snap ring. Keep turning until it lines up. Installing the first snap ring. Tap it in with a hammer and screwdriver. It clicks into place. Good. Slide the gear back on. Align the marks. Ik kon snappering in. Last snap ring in place. The surgery is complete. Inserting the tool into the clutch port. Turn it counterclockwise 12 times. Cracking sounds, clutch settles. Repeat the process on the other side. Transmission's in place. We've come a long way. A few hours of wrenching, a little meditation, and a lot of patience. Now it's time for adaptation. Then a drive test. And finally, we'll find out if all that work really saved me $4,500 or not. Perfect. Victory, let's roll. She drives. She shifts. But is it over? Stay tuned.